Narrative text is a non-fiction that can take the form of fairy tales, myths, folk tales, animal story, and so on. Then what is the difference with recount text? Narrative text is more of a non-fiction fantasy story, while recount text is a non-fiction story that actually happened. The purpose of this text to entertain the reader with an interesting story. Narrative text usually contains moral values that can be learned by the reader. Narrative text is one 13 types of English text and part of narrative text, such as recount text, anecdote text, spoof text, and new items. The text serves to tell stories of the past and for entertainment. The school function of narrative text is a text that aims to entertain and influence the reader in a imaginative experience which function to deal with complication or problematic event that cause stress and the teen win a resolution. Narrative text characteristic are narrative text using action verb in the form of the past tenses. 2. Furthermore, narrative text use curtains known as personal pronouns. 3. Then the third characteristic of narrative text, namely narrative text using an adjective the form a noun first. The structure of narrative text is orientation. Orientation is the opening paragraph is in the text introduce the character involved when it happened and the location of the background of the incident, who, when, where. 2. Complication. Complication is located after orientation and consists of a paragraph that describes the original problem. The initial problem is the beginning of the storyline, which continues to conflict, climax, and anticlimax of a story. 3. Resolution. Resolution is the paragraph that becomes the end of the story, which becomes the complete ends of a story. The problems that excite in narrative text must be resolved and closed with a happy ending or even tragic and sad ending. 4. Reorientation. Reorientation is a closing sentence that tells the final state of the character in the story is a moral message in narrative story. The Bear and the Two Friends. Short example narrative of narrative text. The Bear of and the two friends. Once two friends were walking through the forest. They knew that anything dangerous can happen to them anytime in the forest, so they promised each other that they would remain united in any case of danger. Suddenly, they saw large bear approaching them. One of the friends at once climbed a nearby tree, but the other did not know how to climb, so being let be common sense, He lay down on the ground, breathless, pretending to be dead. Mom. The bear came near the man lying on the ground. It smelled in his hair and slowly left the place because the bears do not touch the dead creatures. Now the friends on the tree came down and asked his friend on the ground, "Friend, what did bear tell you into your eyes?" The other friend replied, "The bear asked me not as a friend." Thank you.